Well, good night. Your student Professor Dr. Dolphy Gilpin, and we're continuing with our little focus on the elements of the periodic table, and we have reached the ninth element, which is in the second period, the L shell, and the 17 group. I think sometimes they name this the 7A shell, but let's not talk about that now. We know it's the Halogen family, Flourine. And so here we have Flourine with an atomic number of 9, an atomic mass of 18.998, and an electronic configuration of, let's see, helium, two S2, 2p5. Electronic configuration of helium 2s2, 2p5. That's Flourine. Atomic number 9, atomic mass of 18.998. So that's for that. And here we have a little book that I've put together with notes. And so we turn to Flourine. And we said Flourine, electronics configuration, helium 2s2, 2p5. It's a highly toxic element, very reactive, reacting with most of or all of the elements of the periodic table, with the exception of helium and neon. It's the lightest of all the Halogen family. Interact with all the other noble gases, with the exception of helium and neon, at a specialized temperature and pressure. And it's the most electronegative elements and a very strong oxidizing agent. Those are notes on Flourine as we continue. Special reaction, we have like nitrogen gas plus 2 fluorine gas give rise to NF3 gas, and sodium plus fluorine give rise to sodium fluoride, NaF, and 2 fluorine gas plus H2O water yields oxygen plus 4 HF, hydrogen fluoride, and 3 fluorine gas plus 3 H2O gas, that's this steam, will give rise to, what's this, ozone, O3 gas plus 3 HF. So those are some of the reactions, but Flourine reacts with, say, about 116 elements of the periodic table, except for hydrogen and neon. And it's compared with sodium, that alkali metal, which is very reactive, but it's a metal, and this one is a non-metal in the Halogen family. So it does, as a non-metal, what sodium does as a metal in the explosiveness and very aggressive reaction that it forms with most other elements. It reacts with the rest of Halogen family as well. So you have a little notes with fluorine, and we are concentrating on fluorine. Let's see if we could pick it up from here. And here we have fluorine here, number 17 group, G17, fluorine, and it's right beside the inert gas group, 18.998 and atomic number 9. And we have it here in the blue representing the halogen family, and which is right next to the chalcogen. But we are concentrating on fluorine, and we just give you some of the reaction that is very, very reactive, reacting with most of all the other elements in the periodic table.